Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey, crafters, I'm Candoris, and I've got something special just for you. So I'd like for you to join my exclusive YouTube monthly membership where you can unlock a treasure trove of crafting secrets and projects. Now, depending on the monthly level you choose, you're going to get access to detailed member-only tutorials that will take your skills to the next crafting level. You'll be able to participate in live Q&A sessions, and we'll get a chance to tackle some crafting challenges together in real time. Now, some of the benefits for my monthly membership will include loyalty badges for all levels, early video access. You'll get a jump start on crafting ideas for the holidays and special occasions, special discounts on courses, as well as one free course per month for my top of the line fans, and a chance to peek behind the scenes to learn some of my crafting secrets. And also for my Step Above the Rest members, you're going to get free PNGs each month. So what are you waiting for? Click that join button and become a part of my Candoris's creative family today. So let's create something beautiful together.